Okay, rational exponents. And so the question on this one, to take that 2/3 exponent and then to see if you can evaluate, simplify, reduce it. So if you remember from previous explanations or class or overview, you can split this exponent up. If you remember that powers to powers are multiplied. So if I rewrote it like that, 125 to the 1/3, then to the second. Remember that's 2 is like over a 1. I went through an explanation like this a little bit ago, or on one of the last videos, where if you had something like this and you can't remember, do I add or multiply them? Remember, this squared means literally I have x cubed twice. And if you think about this, whether you need to write it out or not, this is x times x times x, and the second one is x times x times x. So how many do you have? I have 6 of those x's multiplied, so x to the 6th power. So what did you do with these? You multiplied them. What did you do with these? You added them. So a simple example like that quickly could get you unstuck if you forget how to do that. Well then, coming back here, that's why we can split this 2/3 up as you see there. So then what you need to remember after that is, what's a 1/3 exponent represent? That's a cubed root. And what does a cube root mean? A number multiplied 3 times. And again, if your multiplication facts, times tables aren't really that great, this might be a little challenging for you, but 125, that's like 5 quarters, right? So 5 quarters makes $1.25, 5 times 25. So this is 5 times 5, 5 times 5 times 5. So the cube root of 125, this part right in here, that alone is a 5, and then it's squared out here. So my final answer for this problem would be 25. Rational exponents ends up being, those show up quite a bit on like ACT, SAT types of exams, so you will need to know how to do those.